In the addition given here, all digits have been replaced by letters. Equal letters represents equal digits and different letters represent different digits. Can you find the digits which represents letters, and what does the complete addition looks like in digits? Feel free to pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing to the channel. Let me explain the solution now. There are three most important points one must remember before beginning to solve these kind of math problems. Number one, since there are 4 numbers in each column, maximum sum possible using 4 digits is 36. That is by using 4 nines. And number 2, since the maximum number possible using 4 digits is 36, maximum remainder possible in each column is 3. Number 3, maximum sum possible in each column is 39, that is after adding remainder to the maximum sum 36. Now we have to apply these 3 most important rules to find the value of each letter. Also, we must make a decision on how to start, whether to start from the right or left columns. Let's observe the problem carefully and see the answer. According to the answer, there is a repeated number which suggests that it is a good thing to start from the left columns. Here in this problem, A is repeated. Possible digits for A is 0, 1, 2, 3. Why? It is because we know that maximum sum possible using 4 digits is 39, including remainder. So A cannot be more than 4. We can eliminate 0 because 0 cannot be a digit to A. So now consider if A equals 1. If A equals 1, then AA is 1, 1. In the last column, letter A is repeated thrice. Sum of 3 A's will yield 3, and to get the value 11, sum of B and remainder must be 8. Now possible combinations that satisfy the value of 8 is 0, 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5. Where first digit is remainder and second digit is the value of B. Only 2 digits that satisfy the given addition is 2, 6. You can try other possibilities, it is not definitely going to satisfy the condition. Thus the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 6. Now we have the value of A and the value of B. Now the whole calculation gets simplified. Now use the value of A and B in the right columns. Consider the first column. Value of rightmost column after substituting the values of A and B is 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 9. Hence value of H is 9. Now consider the next column. After substituting the value of A and B in the second column, the expression becomes 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 equals to 14. Thus the value of D is 4 and 1 is the carry forward to the next column. For the next column, expression becomes 1 plus C plus 1 plus 6 equals X6. Expression includes remainder and X will be the remainder for the next column. After solving, expression becomes 9 plus C equals X6. The only number which satisfies for C for this expression is 7 and X will be 1. And that is the carry forward for the next column. Now get into the next column. Now we have the value of A, we have the value of B and the value of C. Now apply the value of A, B, C for the next column. Now the expression becomes 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus E plus 4 equals XG. There are multiple digits which satisfies for the value of E. Let's consider the least number which satisfies the expression. The least number would be 2. Sum will be 18. Thus value of G is 8 and the remainder will be 1. Now after substituting the value of B in the next column, the value of F will be 5. So the complete addition looks like this. This is hard math puzzle and requires a systematic approach to find the solution. If you follow these simple steps, whichever I have explained in this video, will definitely help you to solve these kind of problems in a minimum time. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.